Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Before you try to locate a phone number, confirm legal permission to track that device. Do not attempt location without consent or lawful authority. If this is an emergency, contact local emergency services before using tracking tools. Next, format the target number in international form with country code and all digits. Proper formatting prevents errors with lookup tools and carrier requests. Finally, know the limits of consumer tools versus carrier abilities for precise locations. Sign in to the account tied to the phone when possible to use built-in location services. Use Apple Find My or Google Find with the account credentials and two-factor authorization. If you have lawful authority, contact the mobile carrier and request location data for the specific number. Carriers can provide cell tower-based or GPS coordinates when available and authorized. Expect carrier locations to be accurate within meters to hundreds of meters, depending on signal and device settings. Consider reputable third-party services only when you have explicit account access and consent. Check app privacy policies and reviews to avoid data leaks and scams. Confirm the app requests explicit permission and explains data retention and sharing practices. After obtaining coordinates, verify accuracy by cross-checking with mapping apps and visible landmarks. For ongoing or commercial tracking, obtain written consent and document authorization to protect privacy and comply with law. Regularly review permissions and revoke access when tracking is no longer needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.